This example looks a little bit different because it's got combinations of numbers and letters, and it's got two of them. So we have 16p squared minus 81q squared. Well, 16p squared, if we were to write that as a perfect square, it would be 4p. So write that as 4p and put parentheses around the whole thing and square it. Minus 81q squared. Well, 81, that's going to be 9q. So it's going to be 9q squared, and I guess 9q is a bad combination because they look so similar, but we'll go with it now anyhow. So again, we've got our first place and our second place. Okay, so we've got first and second. So once you have that, it's pretty straightforward. It's the first minus the second times the first plus the second. Okay, and that's all there is to this. Nothing more. First minus the second, first plus the second. And here we go. And those are your factors. Again, try them by file if you want to prove that they're the correct factors.